Hello, physics, quantum theory, wave nature. Question is: a Ferrari with a mass of 1400 kg approaches a freeway underpass, 10-meter cross. So, underpass will be considered as a single slit. What should be the speed to have a wavelength that might diffract this single slit? Uh, what condition compared to the 30 meter per second speed limit? If there's a 30-meter speed limit, so what should be the condition on the uh, speed of this car? So for the diffraction, so there's a condition. So that condition is the wavelength is equal to the h over p, which is h over p is mv. So the wavelength should be equal to this one. We can h over mv. Then what should be the speed? So v is equal to h over no. So the velocity is equal to h over m lambda. So lambda will consider as a 10 meter. So the speed is equal to h 6.625 into 10 power minus 34 joule second. Mass is 1400 kg, which is very large mass in terms of wavelength associated with, which is a 10 meter. So this is equal to 4.7 into 10 power minus 38 meter per second. So this is very small, very, very small compared to 30 meter per second. So no diffraction at this condition 30 meter per second. So 30 meter per second, and then it is very small. So that is so either it has should have a very high speed, so a small mass.